Good morning, students. Class 10 General Maths video number 58, exercise 8.3, question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. That means it is one what? Trigonometric expression. This expression you have to express again, but that theta should be between what? 0 degree and 45 degree. So here 23 degree and 15 degree, these two angles are between 0 and 45 or not? 0 and 45. So one thing you say, why written 90 minus theta? Why written 90 minus theta? That means 90 minus theta means it is first quadrant twice. We are breaking first quadrant twice. Why breaking first quadrant twice? And how you are getting idea that we have to break this as first quadrant twice? Because there is written that angle should be between 0 and 45, and that 0 and 45 is less than 90 degree or not? Less than 90 degree or not? Less than 90, na? So less than 90 means in a quadrant we have to start from this, na? So in a quadrant, angle which are less than 90, these are under first quadrant. Angle which are more than 90 and less than 180 means obtuse angle, it is under second quadrant. Is not it? An angle more than 180 or reflex angle, either they are in third or fourth quadrant. Is not it? We have to see the angle, then we have to select the quadrant. So this angle, both the angle, that means whatever angle you will get, 23 and 15, they are between 0 and 45. But from the question we are getting idea. What? That 0 and 45 is less than 90. That means we have to break these two angles as first quadrant wise. We have to break these two angles as first quadrant wise. Why? Because both are 0 and 45. Whatever angle you are getting, 23 and 15, these are between these two. But as a whole, 0 and 45 is less than 90. Less than 90 angle are acute angle. And acute angle are represented in a what? First quadrant. And first quadrant wise we have to break. Okay. So first quadrant wise we have to break that one. So we can break two way. One 360 plus theta and another one 90 minus theta. So less than 90. So just we have written 90 minus theta wise, this one just we have what? We are breaking this one. Okay. So 67 equal 90 minus 23 and 75 equal to 90 minus 15 degree. Okay. So 1 into 90, 1 is odd, sine change into cos, then theta is 23 degree. 1 into 90, 1 is odd, cos change into sine, then theta is 15 degree. Okay, so cos 23 plus sine 15 degree. 23 and 15, these two angles are between 0 degree and 45 degree, which are less than 90. Clear? So this expression is equal to this expression. That means whatever value you will get for this expression, same value you will get for this expression also. Both the values are equal. Is not it? So next question you see, question number 8. Number 1, if sec 5 theta, it is one angle 5 theta, is equal to cosec theta minus 36 degree. Theta minus 36 degree, it is one angle. Where theta is an acute angle, then find the value of theta. So one thing you see, why given these things? We have to see this one. Theta is an acute angle. So if theta is an acute angle, that means less than 90, and from that theta again subtracted 36 degree. That means damn sure theta minus 36 degree together is less than 90. Theta is less than 90. And if you again subtracting 36 degree from theta, then what value you will get? That one also less than 90. That means first quadrant wise we have to break it, acute angle. So just we are breaking right hand side, not left hand side. Is that it? So 90 minus as a whole, this one is theta. You think quadrant rules wise. 90 minus theta. First quadrant was, so 1 into 90, 1 is odd, so sec change into one thing, see, this one 1 into 90, 1 is odd, sec change into cosec, and theta is what? Theta minus 36. These two are matching or not? In reverse order, just we have broken this one. Clear? So 1 into 90, 1 is odd, sec change into cosec, and then there is theta. Okay, ulta order में breaking. Now see same function or not? Both sides same trigonometric function, so we can withdraw the function. So 5 theta equal to 90 minus theta. Theta minus 36 degree. You think quadrant rules wise, this one is the theta. 90 minus theta. So minus into plus, minus into minus, plus. After that theta you shift to left side. Then 5 theta plus theta equal to 6 theta. There you see, and 90 plus 36. 5 theta plus theta equal to 6 theta, and 90 plus 36 equal to 126 degree. Is not it? So 6 into theta. According to this statement, what? 6 into theta, 6 and theta both are the product of the factor of 126 degree. So any one factor if you shift to right side, then this factor will divide the right side multiple. This one 126. 126 is the multiple of these two factors. Is not it? So 126 you divide by 6, that card you will get 21 degree, which is the value of theta. That's all.